Hello, my name is Heaven. Let me show you how to make real-life looking avatars to present for you just like me. Yes, am not real, just helping Jane out. We would be doing every single thing with just one app, CapCut. And the best part of all this is that it is totally free. That is why I always advise every creator to have this app. Let's get over to Jane to take us through this tutorial.
The app we're going to be using today is CapCut, and it's not actually an app, it's the CapCut website. So you're going to go to the CapCut website, and that's going to be in the first link in my description box. So just click it. When you click it, it opens up this page, and then you go and log in. I'm already logged in, as you can see, I'm logged in here. So you just go into this part of the page right here, and then you log in. Once you're done, the page opens up like this, and we're going to go down to this left hand side and click Magic Tools. The first thing we are going to do is we are going to create the background that we want this our avatar to be in. And to create the background she's going to be in, we are going to do it also on this website. So we are going to go to images here for images, and we are going to do text to image. Okay. Text to image just means you are going to write in a particular text prompt that is going to create the background that we want, okay, for her to stay in. So they always give you a glimpse, they always give you like a tutorial of how to use their page, okay? So I'm going to be changing the aspect ratio to landscape because this video is for YouTube, and I'm not writing the prompt of the kind of background that I want. That's a cozy office with a PC. Okay, that's created the backgrounds for us. So I think I like this one. This one is okay for what we want to do. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to download it, and it's saved. So we're done with the text to image. So we're going to go back now, and then we're going to go into if we're going to go into the creation of the avatar. So we're going to click Magic Tools, as I said before, and then we're going to go into AI characters. Here are all the AI characters available. And I like this standing character. I like this lady on white standing. So I'm going to select this standing character. Here is the timeline. So once you click it, it appears on the timeline. So this is the standing character, okay? I'm going to click this one and delete it. Now, selecting the standing character that I've selected, there are a lot of characters here. You can just select from them. The only thing is you cannot add your own. You have to use what they already have here. Okay, so this is the standing character. So I'm going to go here now, clicking her, this pop-up comes up, and I'm going to click background. I'm going to go to the AI character herself. She's standing, full body frame, close up, no. So right here we are going to put in where they wrote narration. We are going to go to where we have made our script, because I made a script here. We're going to copy that script. We're going to go back here and we're going to paste the script here. So this is the script she's going to voice for us. Okay. Now we can change what her voice. I don't like this serious female voice. I prefer a charming female voice, or let's do energetic female voice. I think that's better. And then I'm going to press apply. This is going to take some time for it to generate the speech and her movements. So it has finished synthesizing, and then let's hear what it sounds like.
Hello, my name is Heaven. Let me show you how to make real-life looking avatars to present for you just like me. Yes, am not real, just helping Jane.
So you guys get the scope. So that is what she sounds like. Okay, and now I'm going to export this video. But before I export this video, I want to try and put a background behind her. So first things you do is you're going to go to this point to increase the aspect ratio of the video, change it to 19.9, and then you go to the background and make sure that the background here is transparent, ticking this box. When you have this thing selected, then you can now easily change her background here in the website. That means we're not going to move to CapCut to change the background. We are doing everything in this particular dialog box. What you need to do also is to go to upload and make sure that you upload the picture of the background. As you can see by the side there, I've uploaded the picture of the background, and what was just left is just for me to late, and I'm going to show you how I did that now. So we're going to move her layer up, the layer that has her, and we're going to move the picture I've uploaded under her. So because she's transparent, the picture is going to show under her just like this. We are going to drag it to to fill up the entire length of the video. I'm also repositioning the office clip. You can see me moving it. Just put your cursor on the screen where the background is showing and just move it the way you want. Then I'm highlighting her. I've selected her. I want to make her a little bit bigger so that she looks normal. Okay, so you can go down, you click on the basic, and then you click scale. With the scale you can increase her size and reduce her size. Holding her, you can position her how you want her to be positioned on the canvas. Okay, so I'm done with it and I think it looks good like this. Make sure you fill it up to the very last. Can you see I had so many left? So is what you're going to do is you're going to zoom out, going to click the minus sign there, zoom out, and then fill up the background with her. So once you're done filling up the background with her, your avatar is created. So you can see that this CapCut here has created the avatar for you, has created the background for you, has created the voiceover for you, everything here, everything in one place. Okay,
My name is Heaven.
so it sounds beautiful. So we're going to click export. When you click export, I told you the settings. You just change the name, change the resolution how you want, change the name of the project. Make sure your resolution is 1080p because that is the recommended resolution for a lot of things. And then make sure your everything is on point and then you press export. After the video is done exporting, you will see a pop-up that comes up and says download. You download it straight to your system. So guys, that's the video on how to do a realistic looking avatar for yourself. Do the voiceover, do the background, do everything in one place. And you know the wonderful part of all this, everything is absolutely free. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.